Joann's is going out of business and I got my last online order. I need to unbox it and there's no better place to do it than right here with you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. When I got the news that Joann's was going bankrupt and they were closing all the stores in my area, I hopped online and stocked up on all my favorite Big Twist items and made sure that I had backups for the projects that I had planned in the future. When I placed this order, it was 25% off online, and now online ordering is closed, so I am so glad that I got this in when I did. Okay, guys, let's dive in. I'm just going to put this on the floor so I can grab it. Ugh. I ordered a lot. I'm just going to go ahead and reach into the box and pull out whatever I grab. So let's check it out. Woo! First of all, I got a package of white and a package of black Big Twist. I just want to make a small black and white granny square blanket. It's just going to be a small little blanket to throw over the back of the chair. I got this really pretty varsity yellow. I got these 3 of the Big Twist Aqua Ombre, and I already have a lot of these because I am going to do the Sholak Afghan. It's a mosaic, and I just wanted to make sure I didn't run out of yarn. Even though I know I bought a lot, I just wanted to make sure. So I got this, and then this is the background for my Sholak. I got this as well. This is a white sparkle yarn. I don't know if you can see the sparkles. This is so cute. It's just like a little sheep ornament, but I thought it would look good in my yarn room. Then I got this really pretty cream yarn. I got 2 of these. I'm behind the game on the prim hooks, so I figured I would try a prim hook. So I got this one. And this is a 5mm, my favorite size. I got one of these. Let's go ahead and take it out and look at it. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It has a nice rubbery handle. It's really lightweight. This will be really handy to take on the go. And then I got a package of the magenta. This is so pretty. I love this. I mean, who doesn't love hot pink? And lastly, I got this cute little pin. This is it's supposed to look like a tarot card, and it says the Hermit, but it's a lady that's crocheting. So, you know, we all like to be hermits sometimes and just sit in the house and crochet, and I thought this was really appropriate. I'm really sad that Joann's is going bankrupt and going out of business. I really did like the Big Twist yarn, and I just love the store. I actually used to teach jewelry classes there many years ago. It was a lot of fun. And, you know, I'm really sad to see Joann's go. Maybe, you know, who knows? Maybe another craft store will pop up and open up in our areas that we haven't ever heard of. I hope something like that happens. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy my shipment from Joann's. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you check out this video right here. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.